This is a Jets GPS Fleet Solutions Fleet Tracker client tutorial, and this is showing you some further customizations to your home page. The last video we showed you how to change things like the layout, highlight certain things, and the date formatting. You can take things to another level. If you click on the little book button up at the top for the columns, you can decide if you want extra columns in here on the grid view. So for example, things that you may find useful are the speed and the speed limit. So in this example, I've just selected those two. I then click out of there, and when you look further along, you can see the speed that the vehicle is actually travelling and the speed limit of the road that they're on. And that's the end of this tutorial.